Hey kids! In today's video, we'll be learning about tools and measurements. Are you ready? Let's begin! Tools and measurements are a very important part of science. This is all about how scientists use special tools to observe the world and gather information accurately. By the end of today's video, you'll know how to use some of these tools yourself. Why do scientists use tools? How do scientists know that they're measuring something correctly? If we only guessed or used our senses, like how hot something feels or how big it looks, we might not always get it right. That's why scientists use tools. Tools help scientists measure things precisely so they can collect reliable information or data. Tools also help us observe things that are too tiny to see, like a bug's wings or tiny particles in soil. Let's go through some of the most common tools. Ruler and meter stick. What it measures: width, height, and length. How to use it: place the ruler next to the object and read the number at the end of the object to see how long it is. Units used by the ruler and meter stick are centimeters, inches, and meters. Thermometer. What it measures: temperature. How to use it: place the thermometer in a glass of water and read the temperature on the scale. Units used by the thermometer are Celsius and Fahrenheit. Scale balance. What it measures: weight and mass. How to use it: place an object on the scale and it will show you how much the object weighs. Units used by the scale balance are grams and kilograms. Magnifying glass and microscope. What they help us do: these tools help us see small details. How to use it: hold the magnifying glass over an object to make it look larger, or place something under a microscope to see details that are too small to see with just our eyes. Graduated cylinder measuring cup. What it measures: liquid volume. How to use it: pour the liquid into the cylinder or cup, then read the measurement where the liquid stops. Units used by the graduated cylinder and measuring cup: milliliters and liters. Stopwatch timer. What it measures: time. How to use it: hold up your stopwatch and press start when you begin an activity and stop when you're done. Using these tools make us young scientists. You learned how to measure length, temperature, weight, and even see small details. And that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about tools and measurements today. Take care now, bye-bye! If you enjoyed the video and want to see more videos from us, please click the subscribe button. Also, give us a like. That will help us. We thank you so much and we do hope that you enjoy our videos. See you soon!